Hello, once again. Um, we are back again. We are back again on this math journey, the journey of making things easy and making math enjoyable. If you have not subscribed yet, I would like you to do that. I would like you to do that. Kindly press the subscription button and like this video and share it to your friends and family. Yes, we are going to continue with reviewing some questions on topics that we have treated so far before we move on to the major topic known as sets. All right. The last time we met, we looked at identifying numbers. We looked at identifying numbers, whether they are whole numbers, whether they were natural numbers, whether they were counting numbers, whether they are integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, whether those same numbers are odd numbers, even numbers, prime numbers. We did that. We did that. But today we're going to look at questions related to fractions. We're going to look at questions related to what? Fractions. We remember that we said that fractions are part of a whole, right? We said fraction is equal to a part of a whole. So something is whole, but a part, just a part of it, a chunk of it, makes it what? A fraction. And remember that we said that it was propounded by Simon, Simon Stephen, Simon Stephen in the year 1586. Sorry about that. In the year 1586. So I'm going to draw a couple. Imagine this whole thing. It's a round object, but it's been slashed, or it's been sliced into three parts. It's been slashed into three parts. So imagine this here, that. So this side is one. I should put it out with this side here is one. That side here is two. And then that side here is three. Now, what we are going to find out is that this portion, this slice portion, right, was given away. It was given away. It was given away to Peter. So how are we going to express this portion, the thing that was given away to Peter? How do we express it in terms of fraction? How do we express it in terms of fraction? Because we gave one slice to Peter, we'll take that, we'll write that one, and then we divide it. Why we divide it? Because we know that fractions are written in the form of a numerator, right? I'll write it here. They are the form of what? A numerator, that is a number on top, numerator divided by a denominator. So that's why the portion that was sliced is one. It's only one portion that was sliced and given to Peter. There are three slices though, but one of the sliced was given to Peter, and that portion we want to express it in terms of fraction. So we put one sliced portion given to Peter as the numerator. Then in the denominator, it will be what? The three slices that we have: the first slice, second slice, and third slice. So that's the one in the denominator here. These three slices are over here in the denominator. And then this one is the one here. So the fraction that was given away to Peter is basically 1 over 3. Then how do you also represent the portion that is the remaining portion? So the remaining portion, or the remaining portion or slices is written as a fraction in the form. How do we do that? In the form, how do we write that? It's in the form 2, right? But there are two slices. In the numerator, we have the two slices that is remaining, so that's what is remaining, divided by the entire slices that were made from beginning. So if you look at the portion that was given to Peter, if we look at the portion to Peter, and we add it to portion remaining, we add it to the portion remaining, we're going to get portion of Peter to be 1 over 3. And then the portion remaining, we add it to 2 or 3. And don't forget when we're talking about addition of fractions. So now we have 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3. And what did we say we're going to do? We multiply this by that and we get 3. We also multiply this by that and we get 6. And we divide it by the multiplication of 3 by 3, which is 9. And that means that we are going to get 9 over 9. And 9 over 9 is the same as 1, which was the whole, which is the whole that we had from beginning. I hope this helps. I will come again and we're going to continue doing more questions as we continue to review the topics that we have treated so far. Take care. Bye.